If you are in your 20s, listen to this video very carefully. I am going to tell you 5 concepts that can save your life from getting paged in your 20s or even in your 30s. Pause this video till the end. You get depressed, anxious, and what not, mostly in your 20s. Your 20s is the most crucial and burdened period to make your entire life. Your 20s is the period where you experience everything but you feel I have nothing. Your 20s is a period where you have to go through dark breakups. This is a time where you want to be financially independent. You don't want to be a burden on your family. We make many life turning mistakes in our 20s. We cling to wrong people. We end up making wrong friends. Sometimes we end up getting indulged in toxic relationships and whatnot. This is a time when you get to realize that there are many people who are not with me, who are not right for me. You make mistake, you grow up, you fall, you stand up, you cry, you overthink, you fell in love with wrong people, you cry in nights for someone you fell in love for. At the same time, you want a stable career and finances. This is the time where you want to explore and enjoy your life to the fullest. You get depressed, anxious, and whatnot, mostly in your 20s. Most people end up wasting their 20s or even their 30s by taking wrong decisions, by clinging to wrong people. At the end, they delay their growth and career in the life. That's very true. Everyone has a different life, destiny, and timeline for the things to happen. From here comes our first point. Stop the comparison trap. Stop comparing yourself with others. Everyone has a different journey, has a different life, personality, and everyone is unique in itself. Stop comparing your life with your friends, with your relatives, with your anyone else out there. It's your life, it's your journey. It's your destiny. Whatever you did wrong in your past, that's completely okay. Everyone commit mistake at a time in their life. That's all fine. We are all human beings. We make mistakes, we learn from them, and we move forward in life. Stop comparing that this is my friend and this is settled in life. Why I am not settled? Why I am getting late in my finances, in my career? The point is, are you ready? From here, where you are understanding your flaws, understanding your mistakes, you are learning from your life. If you are learning from your mistakes, you are on right track. Either cry over your past mistakes, thinking, how could I do it? Why I was so silly? I hate myself. I can no longer be a good person. What about my career? I have lost everything. No, honey, you are on right track. If you are in alignment with your awareness, you are on right track. If you are thinking about these silly things, what I did in my past, what now, you are just wasting your present as well as your future, because past is dead. We can't go in past. That has already gone. Whatever is coming in your future, get yourself ready for that. You left with two options: either cry over your past, thinking about how could I do it? I was so silly. Why I got into that wrong relationship? Why I got into that wrong friendship? Second option is right now, buckle up your seat and decide what you want to do in your life next. Make yourself ready for your future endeavors and life. If a warrior tends to forget that he's a warrior and keeps crying over his past defeats, he will end up wasting his life. That's not an identity of a warrior. If you are a warrior, you are not meant to overthink or burden up your mind over your past defeats. Second thing is, start taking your own responsibility. Don't fear the question, what will I do? I have nothing to do. I can't do anything. Firstly, make your goals no matter how big they are. Make mini targets on daily basis and be consistent, be disciplined with whatever you want to achieve in your life. If you want to take responsibility of your family, your parents, or anyone else out there, firstly you have to be responsible for yourself. Everything starts with us. Third thing is, don't get into relationships again. If you went through a toxic relationship, this is very true. Most youth waste their 20s clinging to wrong people and end up wasting their career in the name of love. And tell me one thing, how many love relationships really survive? Your responsibility is limited to yourself. You can't control someone else. If someone is cheating on you, if someone leave you for no reason, if someone don't want to stay with you, that's not your responsibility to make them understand. Your responsibility is up to you. Once you have tasted a rotten apple in your relationship, whether it was a casual or a serious one, don't get into another relationship to overcome your pain or desires. Solitude is the best time to get awareness about yourself, to align with your goals, with your life purpose, to understand your wounded patterns. So focus on your career. People will come and go. This is not your area of control. If someone is meant to come in your life, that will come at the right time, at the right moment. Don't chase things. Desires are very natural until you cling to desires and fantasies. It's all about mindset. These things will break your comfort zone, but please do it. Most people waste their 20s without any awareness, without any understanding of their past patterns. If they are attracting wrong people into their life, they keep on attracting wrong people into their life. If they are scrolling reels, they will keep on scrolling reels until they will find their phone dead. It's your responsibility to figure out things. Fourth thing is pick a direction in your life. Don't hesitate to pick a new direction in your life. Sometimes we pick a wrong career, times due to our parents. Sometimes we don't even understand what's my area of interest, what's the best career for me. When you understand that this is not the thing I'm passionate about, this is not the thing I can do on daily basis, you find yourself stuck into that vicious cycle. Sometimes people start preparing for competitive exam and they keep on giving exams after exams after exam. They know they cannot get through that exam, wasting their 20s in a loop that I don't have anything to do. This is the last option in my life. This is the last option that I can do. Just find your area of interest and just pick a direction and start to move in that direction. Understand this concept in a way, like there is a ocean, there is a river full of water, but that water of that ocean or river is of no use for you because you stay in your house. But when that same water get connected to any pipeline, that water gets a direction to reach that particular point, to reach that particular goal. In the same manner, your mind is scattered, your goals are scattered, you have so many goals in your life, you have so many ideas. That goal, that idea is of no use. You have to put efforts, you have to pick a direction to move so that you can reach to your destination. That one exam, that one job cannot decide your future. We all know when to enter into a particular competitive exam career. The important thing is when to exit. You need to figure out, is your potential getting based in whatever work you are doing. Ask yourself, where do you want to see yourself after 5 years? Just start taking step into that direction from right now. Even though no one is with you, no one is supporting you, you don't need to request people to help you out. No one will help you. There is a God that will definitely help you if you work hard for your goal. Fifth thing is keep your goals, your dreams secret until you make it. Don't publicize your goal. Share your goals, your passion to the people who really respect your ideas, who can really help you. Otherwise, don't tell anyone because there are very few people who really want good for you. Rest are just to drag you down. Like this video if you find anything helpful. Let's meet in another video. Till then, bye bye.